Hey guys, so I want to come on real quick and do a review on this new stainless steel paddle mixer I just got from Amazon and I'm so excited. I love anything baking, cooking, being in the kitchen is my favorite. So this is compatible with my KitchenAid mixer and I'm so excited. So what I've noticed so far is that this paddle is heavy duty. I love that it's stainless steel. I love that you can tell it's good quality and this is gonna cut your mixing time by 50% at least. You don't have to worry about cracking or chipping or anything like that, and so it's gonna last you for a really long time. So because this is so heavy duty and it's premium stainless steel, this is gonna really help when you're making potatoes or mixing for mashed potatoes. It's heavy duty, so this is gonna cut the time, like I said, 50%, and mash them and mix them a lot more thorough, and this is gonna get the job done. So I know I talked about using this for heavy duty things, but you don't have to always use it for potatoes or something like that. You can do cookie dough, butter, pastry dough, things like that. You can use this for so many different ingredients, and that's what I love about this. Another thing, you guys, is it's easy to clean, it's dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about that, and it's easy to use. All you wanna do is line it up with your mixer, and you turn the knob, and you're set. So I'm gonna go mix something and show you guys how it works. All right, so here it is up close. As you can see, it's such good quality. That's the spot where you're gonna wanna just insert it into your KitchenAid and just twist, and you are all set. All right, now we're ready to mix up my cake batter. Just stick the bowl in and you put the paddle into the mixer. All right guys, as you can see, you can set it to any setting, so that paddle is going to mix it smoothly, it's gonna go quick, and like I said, cutting your mixing time in half is amazing. All right, there you go. As you can see, my cake mix is incredibly creamy. This paddle just cut right through it. And again, super easy to clean. You can stick it under the faucet with hot water, or like I said, dishwasher safe. So fast. All right guys, I hope you learned something in this video. Go buy yourselves your own stainless steel mixer. This paddle is amazing. It's gonna help you with so many things in the kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.